morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be. We are back and better than ever. And today we are talking about quadratic optimization. So let's get to it, shall we? We'll check back in with Rihanna and Eminem in a little bit. All right, so if we are able to model something with a quadratic, we will easily be able to find the maximum of whatever is happening if the parabola is opening downwards, or the minimum of whatever it is that's happening, whatever it is that we're modeling, if the parabola opens upward, because the maximum occurs at the vertex. And the equation of the line of symmetry, which goes through the vertex, is negative b over 2a. And that gives us the x-coordinate of the vertex all the time. Isn't that wonderful? So we'll have a min here and a max here. We can model such things as profits, costs, heights, all kinds of things we can model using quadratic. So we just have one example for you. The height h metres of a rocket, t seconds after it is fired vertically upwards, I know it's meters, I just say metres, is given by h of t equals 100t minus 5t squared. How long does it take for the rocket to reach its maximum height? Okay, so the coefficient of the squared term is negative, so we know that that parabola is opening downward. So that is going to occur right here at this, we got a graph here that's what? H and t, right? H of t and t. So t, the t coordinate of the maximum point of the vertex is equal to negative b over 2a. So let's go ahead and rewrite h of t, just so we don't mess it up, as negative 5t squared plus 100t. So that is going to be negative 5 over, I don't know what happened there, negative 5. All right, let's take care of it. Good for you. We're done. Good. So what? Okay. Negative 5 over 2 times, oh, wait a second. See, I totally messed that up. Negative b. So that's negative 100 over 2 times negative 5. Which is equal to negative 100 over negative 10, which is 10. So that's going to take 10 seconds to reach its maximum height. What is the maximum height? Well, here I just have to evaluate for h of t, because this gives me the height. And I know that it occurs at 10 seconds, so I just have to find h of 10. So that is going to be, by Danny Moore, thank you, h of 10 is going to be negative 5 times 10 squared plus 100 times 10, which is going to be negative 500 plus 1,000. So that is going to be 500 feet. So in 10 seconds, the rocket reaches its highest height of 500 feet. And then finally, C is, how long does it take for the rocket to fall back to Earth? Well, that's going to occur when h of t is equal to 0, when the height is equal to 0, because think about it. The rocket is going to go up and then go back down. And we already know that this is going to be 10 and this is going to be 500, right? This is the coordinates of my vertex, and this is time in seconds, and this is height, I believe, in feet. All right, so now let's go ahead and solve that. 0 equals negative 5t squared plus 100t. So that would be equal to negative 5t times, let's see, t minus 100, right? No, minus 20. What's the matter with me? Minus 20. So t could equal 0 or t could equal 20. And we're going to throw 0 out right away because times 0 is the launch, so this has to be 20. We could also figure that out by symmetry. So it's going to fall back to the Earth after 20 seconds. All right, so Hope you enjoyed that. Pretty easy peasy, awesome sauce. Let's check it out with Rihanna and Eminem again. We'll crank that up. Short vid. And I will say that I am friends with the monster that's under my bed. And I am out.